Vietnam is renowned for its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and hospitable people. While many travelers flock to popular destinations like Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh City, or Ha Long Bay, there are numerous lesser-known places that offer equally captivating experiences. One such hidden gem is Tu La Valley, a picturesque region in the northern part of Vietnam. This serene valley, located inIen Bai Province, is a haven for those seeking an authentic and tranquil escape. From terraced rice fields to ethnic minority cultures, Tu La Valley has much to offer. A journey through time and nature. Tu La Valley is situated approximately 280 kilometers northwest of Hanoi. The journey to Tu La is an adventure in itself, as it takes you through winding mountain roads, lush forests, and quaint villages. The region is part of the Hong Lin Sun Mountain Range, which also encompasses the famous terraced fields of Mu Song Chai. As you approach Tu La, the landscape transforms into a patchwork of rice terraces that cascade down the hillsides, creating a breathtaking mosaic of colors. The best time to visit Tu La Valley is during the rice harvesting season, which typically occurs from late September to early October. During this period, the terraced fields turn golden, offering a stunning contrast to the lush green mountains. The sight of golden fields stretching as far as the eye can see is a photographer's dream, and a testament to the hard work and dedication of the local farmers. The charm of Tu La Village. At the heart of Tu La Valley lies Tu La Village, a small, picturesque settlement that serves as the gateway to the region. The village is home to several ethnic minority groups, including the Thai, Hmong, and Chao people. These communities have preserved their traditional way of life for centuries, and visiting Tu La offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in their rich culture. One of the most striking features of Tu La Village is its traditional stilt houses, which are built from wood and bamboo. These houses are elevated off the ground to protect against floods and provide ventilation during the hot summer months. Walking through the village, you'll encounter friendly locals dressed in colorful traditional attire, a reflection of their vibrant culture. The local market is a bustling hub of activity, where villagers gather to buy and sell goods. Here, you can find a variety of handmade crafts, fresh produce, and traditional foods. Trying local delicacies such as sticky rice, grilled meats, and herbal teas is a must. The flavors are unique and offer a taste of the region's culinary heritage. Exploring the natural beauty. Tu La Valley is a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. The terraced rice fields are undoubtedly the main attraction, but the valley's natural beauty extends far beyond the fields. Hiking and trekking are popular activities, and there are numerous trails that take you through forests, along rivers, and up mountains. One of the most rewarding hikes is the trek to Cao Pha Pass, one of the highest mountain passes in Vietnam. The pass offers panoramic views of the valley below, and is a great spot for watching the sunrise or sunset. The journey to Cao Pha Pass takes you through dense forests and past small waterfalls, providing a refreshing escape from the heat. Another notable destination is the Tu La Hot Springs, located just a short distance from the village. These natural hot springs are perfect for relaxing after a day of exploring. The mineral-rich waters are believed to have therapeutic properties, and soaking in the hot springs while surrounded by nature is a rejuvenating experience. Cultural immersion. One of the highlights of visiting Tu La Valley is the opportunity to engage with the local ethnic minority communities. The Thai, Hmong, and Chao people are known for their warm hospitality, and are eager to share their customs and traditions with visitors. Homestays are a popular accommodation option, allowing you to stay with a local family and experience their daily life firsthand. During your stay, you can participate in various cultural activities, such as traditional dance performances, music, and craft workshops. The Hmong people, in particular, are renowned for their intricate embroidery and textile work. Learning about their techniques and creating your own piece of art is a memorable and rewarding experience. Festivals are also an integral part of life in Tu La Valley. If you visit during the harvest season, you might be lucky enough to witness a local festival celebrating the rice harvest. These festivals are vibrant affairs filled with music, dance, and feasting, providing a unique glimpse into the region's cultural heritage.